Hey everyone, welcome to Deb Matt Chat, all things life, cruise and travel. And today we're on the Pacific Encounter. We're doing a 3-night cruise on here at the moment. I just thought I wanted to show you on a couple of things that I've brought along just to help on organising your room. Gives you a little bit of extra storage if you need it. Obviously, only being 2 of us, this room does have pretty much ample storage, I think. But it's really good so you don't misplace things. So we've bought these hooks just off Amazon. There's all sorts of different sizes that you can get. So these are a little bit bigger ones, so they obviously hold a little bit more weight. So all your walls are magnetic, so they just clip on. Same with roof, so you can literally put these anywhere. So we like to, you walk in the door, hang your lanyard up, so you're not then going, oh, where did I put it down? It's great for, hanging your bags as well.
That's really, well, not the bags, but the lanyard. Putting the lanyard down somewhere, that's good for me.
I haven't taught him this yet because he keeps losing his lanyard. Before we go down the other way, I'll just show you another thing that I have bought. So this is just a cube unit. So it's actually got hooks here that you can just hang over the door. These ones don't damage the doors, I've noticed. So obviously you don't want it to break any doors, but that shuts still beautifully. I just use it for shoes because I think otherwise, obviously, you've got room in the bottom here on the P&O Encounter, but this just keeps it nice and neat. And you can put anything you like. They're really quite big, so these aren't small shoes. You could use it for underwear. You could use it for jewelry. Anything that you wanted to use it for, it would come in quite handy. So I've actually really loved this.
Tech gear, if you're like me.
This is true.
I think it'd be handy place to sort of organise tech gear and things, cameras and that, if you're travelling with all those sort of things as well, or snorkel gear when we're going to the islands.
Correct. Yep. So especially if you've got kids and things like that, if you've got the 4 berth rooms and there's not as much room, I think this would come in really handy for something like that. We've actually got our own magnets. So these are Deb Matt Chat clips.
Oh yeah.
So they've got the magnet on the back. These are so handy. We have found this so helpful for all our materials. So when our good times are here, all our different, so we've got a free portrait that we've got to go and pick up.
So vouchers for the shore tours.
Yeah.
All those sort of things.
It's just so easy for that stuff just to get thrown across the room and just build up and get lost. So these are so handy. I mean, obviously that's for paper. You could put whatever you liked on there, really.
Yeah, we've hung a few things on there. I think it can even hold, like, similar to the other hook that's holding your bag over there. They can hold the bags. And
yeah, they've got they're quite strong. So no, they're a great little thing. Obviously I've got another hook sitting here. So yes, I did washing, so we do have it on our washing line, but there was just an extra one that didn't fit, so I put it on here, and more than enough. Like, they're very, very strong. I mean, the other thing you could do is just hang it from the roof as well, just to keep it a bit more airing in there. So yeah, these things are great, and we've done there's a whole other video that we've done regarding our washing, excuse the bras, with the clothesline, but see the metal hooks are literally just up on the roof with our clothesline there. So look, obviously you could do as much or as little as you want, but these little things just make it so much easier. And I'm looking forward to when we go on the Quantum of the Seas again this week, we'll do another video and show you how we're going to utilise them there. And we have a balcony on that one, so I think it'll be really good for when you're in port days, go and hang your washing out and let it dry outside. Or hang up the snorkel gear so it's just not sitting on the ground. But yeah, so that's just our little trick there that we find so useful.
Magnetic hooks, storage racks, storage cubes.
Yeah.
Just brilliant.
Yes. So if you like this video, like and subscribe, and we do appreciate every subscriber that comes along. So enjoy.